So, step 3 has a lot going on. First, you're going to take your best can and you are going to tear it out of your art book. Okay. Now, mine has writing on the bottom of it, and it really doesn't matter. You might have a bunch of eraser marks. Again, does not matter. All right. But you're going to take this, you're going to tear it out, and you are going to outline it in permanent marker if you cannot see your lines under your paper. Now, I know the video is kind of, depending on your screen, you might not be able to see that I can see underneath here, but all we did is we took our can, and what we want to do is we want to put it in the center of our paper, okay? And some of you might even want to fold some of the fringes, because this will allow us to move it up and down and also side to side, because it gives us a little bit of space. So you're trying to put your can in the middle of your next page. Okay, so I'm going to slide this in. I'm going to move it around. And if you do it with black permanent marker, it's going to be very, very easy to see. Then I'm going to use a black marker to trace it. So this might involve tracing it twice. That's okay. But I like to start exactly how I started when I was drawing the can. So I have it right where I want it. Okay, I'm going to actually flip this around so it's easier to see. All right, and now I'm going to use the permanent marker. I'm holding it down so that it doesn't move, and I'm going to carefully outline with permanent marker. Now, if you do not feel comfortable outlining it with the permanent marker right away, you do not have to. You can do it with pencil first. Okay, and again, just a reminder, we're not coloring anything in. Now coming down the can. All right, so now I have my can. Then what you want to do, I'm going to find my background. Okay, so now I have my background, and now I'm going to tear that out. Okay. Now I have the can that I just traced, all right, and now I'm going to slide all right. And if this is not outlined in permanent marker, you're going to want to do that too. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is outline this, okay? And let's say I was like, oh, I wish I could see more of that cloud. I can change it. To fit my can if I need to. Okay, so I wanted to make it a little bit bigger and have it go all the way around. Now, I'm going to do the background one. And again, if I want to make it a little taller, I can do that. So you can see the old one stops here. But now I'm just trying to make it exactly how I want it. and I have that nice one in the background to help me with that. So some of you will find out, oh, it's perfect. It's just what I want. Others will be like, ooh, I got to make that different depending on the look and shape of your can. Okay. So now I'm going to take this out. And now what I'm left with is my can with my background. Okay. So now that you have that done, this is as far as we're getting this week. And if you don't get this much done, it's fine. We will have less steps to do the following class. Please make sure that all of your points or any of your parts go all the way off the edge of the paper. Like that. All right. Good luck.